What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and it is new knife day. And in fact, this is new brand day as well to me. I believe this is Ruike, not to be confused with the other Ruike, but if I'm pronouncing that wrong, definitely let me know. But they're a budget knife maker out of China, and they're the knife division of Phoenix Lights, which never had any of their knives or their flashlights, but this one has been on my radar for quite a while. Watched a couple videos, heard of the model. People say it's great. It's an awesome budget knife. A lot of bang for your buck. So kind of bought it on a whim from Blade HQ. So let's go through a little quick unboxing. Just a little mini catalog there. And then warranty service information. Don't know what that is. Okay, let's get to the knife. All right. So just a little bit about this one. It is the P801 SB. I got it from Blade HQ for $35, and dang, that action is pretty nice for that price point. Let's try the thumb stud here. Also pretty good. So this is stainless steel frame lock flipper, of course. Has that Sandvik 14C 28N steel. Deep carry pocket clip. Nice slender design. It's fairly long. Bladed is around 3.5 inches, I believe. Awesome flat grind on that. Fully flat ground. A couple different ways to open it. It sounds like it's on Teflon washers or some sort of washer like that. I'm not entirely sure, but the action's very good. Detent feels a little soft, but it's firing open every time. Here's your lockup. It's not super hefty for a all stainless steel design, but it's fairly dense. I mean, it's not going to be a featherweight in your pocket. You got a lanyard hole on the back there. But the fit and finish seem pretty good. That blade is walking slightly, but it's pretty centered up. Action's great. Ooh, it's pretty scary sharp too. So yeah, been wanting this one for a while. Had some other things in my cart, and I'm like, yeah, for 35 bucks I can splurge and add something else onto it. What really attracted me to this model was just the price point and the materials. I do like Sandvik 14C 28N. I've had it on a couple Kershaws, a couple other knives, and for the price point, 30 to 35 bucks, depending on what model you get. If it's just the one without the acid wash or whatever, it's a little cheaper. But looks like a very utilitarian kind of blade. Handle is decently hand-filling. Yeah, doesn't seem to be any hot spots with that clip, even in kind of like a reverse grip. Yeah, but it seemed like it'd be a knife that it wouldn't be devastating to lose or to drop or do anything like that, but kind of a workhorse. It reminds me a lot of the Kershaw Cryo. This one obviously being manual and just kind of elongated and more slender. So pretty cool knife, the Ruike P801 SB. I'm gonna put it in the rotation and hopefully beat on a little bit and see if it holds up. And we'll do a review in the coming weeks or months. So thanks for watching, guys, and remember, have fun with your knives.